Welcome to this view inside the Change Designs member zone. The Change Designs member zone provides you with powerful personalized features and member-only guides and tools to enable you to be more successful at work. In this video, we will show you around the member zone and how to organize your information to find it fast. But first, let's get you into the member zone. The member login button is located at the top right of any page. Click this button and you will be presented with the simple login form. Enter your username and password. Click Login to log in. After logging in, you will be taken to your member home page. There are 3 tabs. The first shows you what is available under your Members menu button. The blue Members menu button is located at the top left. The Members menu button only appears when you are logged in. The second tab has some tips on using member tools. The third tab shows questions you have asked the coach. Back to the blue Member Zone menu button. There are a number of buttons under the Member Zone menu. The first is My Article Pinboard. My Article Pinboard is your personal pinboard for all your important articles, tools, guides, and coaches' replies. This is your board to enable you to find your important stuff fast. To pin an item to your pinboard, you need to be logged in and then just click the Pin this to your personal pinboard button at the bottom of any article, tool, guide, or blog post. I am now going to an article that I want to pin to my board for future reference. To pin this article, click the green Pin this to your personal pinboard button. A dialog shows the article is pinned. Click OK to close it. I am now going back to my pinboard. Here is the article I just pinned. Now anytime I want to go to this article, I can go to my pinboard and click on the article. It will open in a new tab. If I no longer need a pinned item, I can delete it by clicking on Delete at the bottom of the item. If I have many pinned items and it is becoming difficult to find what I want, then I can use the filter buttons to filter certain categories. I'm going to look for pinned items related to change management by clicking on the Change and Leadership filter button. Here are just the articles I have pinned on change management. To see all my pinned items once again, I click on Show All. If you wish to search for a specific topic or keyword, you can use the Search and Highlight feature. I'm going to find articles I have pinned that are directed at CEOs. Type your keyword phrase into the box and click Search and Highlight. Here are my articles directed at CEOs. You can change the summary of a pinned item to contain your own information. This is especially useful if you want to group and find articles and guides that are relevant to a specific project in your organization. I already have a few items labeled for the ABC Bank project. I am now going to label a further one by clicking Edit on the item. Click Submit to save your new label. Now, to find all my items related to the ABC Bank project, I can use Search and Highlight. Here are all my items related to the ABC Bank project. Your member zone is saved in the cloud. Your pinned items are synchronized across all your devices. Whatever device you log into Change Designs with, you're always up to date with your latest pins. If you wish to see all the tools and guides that are available to members, then use the Member Tools, Guides and Articles menu button on the left. This gives you a view of all the member tools, guides and articles in a single pinboard. You can use the filter buttons to see what is available in each category, for example, strategy. Now let's look at some examples of what is in the member zone. Our member guides contain practical information on how to achieve a task or goal, such as what to ask a project manager before preparing a change management plan. Here is a practical article showing you exactly what to do step by step. In the member zone, we also have presentations you can download and use, such as a slide presentation to sell the concept of change management to your executive team. There are a number of self-coaching tools you can use to improve your personal effectiveness. You can save your analyses, boundaries, visions and goals online in the cloud. You can access them on any device. Use our personal focus tools for yourself and for coaching others. Each of these buttons takes you to a different coaching tool. In this tool, you are asked a series of questions that show you how effectively you are using your time. You are then shown how to analyze your answers, to see what is and isn't working for you. Your answers are saved to the cloud. This means you can review or revise your work on any of your devices, such as your iPhone or iPad, wherever and whenever you need to. Some of the most powerful coaching tools are our diagnostic tools, such as the Poor Morale in the Workplace diagnostic tool. To help you to diagnose and solve a particular problem you may have, our diagnostic tools take you through a series of questions and then provide you with a solution for your situation. Use our dashboards to measure the effectiveness of your function. For example, our Change Management Dashboard provides you with a visual dashboard of the current state of change management on your project. Once all the questions have been answered, you will be given feedback on how you are doing and what you still need to do to improve your rating. Getting back to the Members menu. Another useful feature is Share Docs, where you can store your own documents in the cloud and share these documents with others via a link. To upload a document, click the Upload button. In the Upload Document screen, first browse for your document by clicking on Browse. If you wish to associate this document with a project, then enter a project name. If you wish to add notes, then add them here. When you are ready, then click Upload Document. Once your document is uploaded, you will be taken back to your Share Doc screen. If you wish to share this document with others, then click on Share Link. Copy the URL and paste it into an email to send to colleagues. First, click and drag your mouse over it to highlight it, and then right-click on it and select Copy. To view a document from any of your devices, click on the document link in the red box. The document opens in a new tab. You may edit the comments or project name by clicking on the Edit link on a document. An extremely valuable benefit of being a Change Designs member is access to an online coach whenever you need support. Online coaching is described here. Use the Ask the Coach feature for practical advice or a different way of looking at a problem. The coach provides answers in writing, which you can pin to your personal pinboard and refer to later on your iPhone, iPad, or computer. To ask the coach a question, you can use the Ask the Coach menu button under the Members menu. You can format your question using the toolbar provided. This enables you to use headings, bullets, bolds, indents, etc. Type your question in the space provided and click Send my question to the coach. The coach may take up to 48 hours to reply. Once the coach has replied, you will be notified by email. To see the status of your question, you can look at the My Questions to the Coach tab on your members' home page. Click on the latest question at the top to see its details. The status field will show new or closed, depending on whether the coach still has to answer your question or has answered it. The coach may also include a message in the thread below. When your question has been answered, you can see the coach's reply by clicking on the Coach Replies under the Members menu. All the questions asked of the coach and all the coach's replies appear here. The most recent questions and answers appear at the top of this list. Questions are posted anonymously, so your name does not appear. Click on the post to see the full reply from the coach. I'm going to click on someone else's question since my question was only for demonstration in this video. You can now pin the coach's answer to your pinboard to make it easy to find in the future. Here is the coach's reply pinned to your pinboard. You may find many of the coach's replies to other members' questions very informative and may be directly relevant to something you are working on. It is worth browsing through the coach's replies every so often for useful practical advice. A final feature before closing this video on the Change Designs Member Zone is the Center of Excellence discussion groups. This can be found under the Members menu. This collection of forums is designed to help members to network with one another. Arranged around themes such as change management and organizational development, strategic planning, facilitation, and innovation. Members ask one another questions and share best practices with one another. We hope this has given you an insight into the Change Designs Member Zone. New articles and tools are added regularly. Members are kept up to date with new features via a monthly members newsletter. Past newsletters can be viewed under the About Us menu. You can purchase a membership right now by clicking on Become a Member. You can buy a 12-month membership or try out the Member Zone with a 1-month membership. Click the relevant Buy Now button. We look forward to welcoming you as a Change Designs member.